Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices rose, buoyed by government data showing US crude oil and fuel inventories fell last week, and by mounting concerns about tighter global supply following the US threat of tariffs on nations buying Venezuelan crude. Wall Street stocks tumbled, dragged down by losses in Nvidia and Tesla, as investors awaited information about forthcoming US tariffs expected to be enacted next week. In the latest development, a report said US President Donald Trump was readying an announcement on auto levies. World Liberty Financial, the Trump family's crypto project, is planning to release a stablecoin, raising concern over Trump's exposure to the digital asset industry. As regulator oversight disappears from the crypto industry, observers and legal scholars are becoming increasingly concerned over conflicts of interest within the Trump administration.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
This week's economic calendar brings a lineup of key reports that vary in importance. Market participants should remain alert, as these events may trigger significant price movements and affect trading conditions across major asset classes. As we await these data points, it's wise to prepare for the market's reaction. Volatility may arise, presenting both challenges and opportunities for informed investors.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.